Well, thanks for stopping by. This is part 2 of propagating pothos plants. And tonight we have a special guest, my youngest daughter, Emma.
Hello!
If you watched the first video, she was one of the, this was her plant or this plant. These are the plants that I bought for my daughter, Emma, and my oldest daughter, Morgan. So she stopped by to visit, and we figured, hey, what the heck? Send her home with a couple plants, maybe a half a dozen. So what I want to do is just kind of show you the progression. Remember before we just took the small cuttings, there was no roots, there was no leaves whatsoever. Well, now if you take a look, we got lots of leaves. So hopefully we have some roots. That's what we're looking for, because with the peat moss, that's an inert material, which means there's no vitamins and minerals. There's nothing, the plant's not going to grow. So what I did before Emma got here is I got some potting soil, just a Miracle Grow. And so hopefully we've got some roots. We're going to plant that in these small pots. So just be real careful here. You want to grab one, Emma? And we're just going to kind of loosen the soil. Just lightly grab it out, and hopefully the
Staying intact.
Somewhat. Oh, I like what I see.
Yeah.
Oh, look, Emma, can you hold that up to the camera? See those big, thick, juicy roots? Oh, I love it, I love it. So yeah, that was actually getting root bound. It started to spin around. The dogs are even excited. So what we need to do here, Emma, guys, it's not treats, it's just baby pothos. So what we're gonna do is just take your fingers and make a nice little indentation there. Nice little hole,
Put it in
little pocket, yep, and then we'll just place them right in there. And then just pack it around. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Look at that. 2 baby pothos. Happy and healthy ones, I
Yes, this time.
So the next step is, you know, there's a lot of work that I'm gonna have to do tonight. We're gonna have to midnight. No, just kidding. But you're gonna get some duds as well. This one, you know, no leaf, but that doesn't make it doesn't mean that it's not growing roots. So let me just take a look here. Yep. And this may be the one, you know, that I didn't put the rooting hormone on in that last video. So, you know, generally you don't need it, but hey, if you got it, I'd suggest it, because that one goes in the garbage. But yeah, I'm very happy so far with the progression. Emma, you want to do one more?
Yeah.
All right. It actually, it's been about 30 days. After a couple of weeks, the leaves started popping up, but I didn't want to disturb or check the soil. Ooh, that's another nice, healthy looking one. I'll make the hole here for you. Very nice. Put that right in there. Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. And then, you know, we went from the shoebox size, so we'll, you know, pot all these up. Excuse me, Emma. And then I think what we're gonna do is put everything in, obviously, one size bigger. Bigger pot, bigger grow container. Same idea though, but now we don't really need the heat mat underneath per se. Yeah, I like that to keep the humidity really hot, and we don't really need that super high humidity anymore. You could certainly just take these and put them on your windowsill, and you know, I think that's what Emma's gonna do. Take a couple home, baby them up, give them some sunshine, and you know, a month from now, maybe she'll come back, bring these with, and we'll see how they do. So, Hey, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. And thanks for stopping by and make it a great day.
Bye.
I love it.